A Linux admin needs to check which services are listening on network ports. So here we need to know which command he should use. systemctl list, netstat-tool-np, tracer route, ifconfig-p, or ssidctl show, which command you should know as Linux admin in this scenario. And here the correct answer is netstat-tool-np, as this command shows active listening ports and associated services. Windows computer randomly wakes from sleep. Which command diagnoses wake triggers? powercfg/last wake, wmic bios get wake events, event vwr/s, powercfg/device query, msinfo32/power, which would be the correct answer in or for this question. And here the correct answer is power sfg last wake, as this shows device or event woke the system. A user cannot reach HTTPS website, but HTTP works normally. What is the root cause? So HTTPS or hypertext transfer protocol secure websites does not work, but unsecure protocol or websites work. Port 443 blocked, SSL certificate corrupted, proxy misconfigured, incorrect hosts file, or antivirus firewall disabled. So which is the correct answer here? And here we should know that if a user cannot reach HTTPS, most likely cause from all these answer options would be that port 443, which is used by HTTPS, is blocked, and as you know, port HTTP is used, protocol HTTP is using port 80. So HTTPS uses port 443 if blocked secure sites fail while others load. A user reports continuous redirects in their browser and new toolbars appearing. So user has reports continuous redirects in their browser and new toolbars are appearing on his computer. Antivirus shows no issues. What is most likely installed? Rootkit, worm, backdoor, boot sector virus, or hijacker/pop, which would be the correct answer here. And the correct answer is hijacker pop, as browser hijackers installs toolbars, search redirects, and ads without being flagged as malware. A business requires users to authenticate to Microsoft 365 using fingerprints or FIDO keys. What feature must be implemented? Credential guard, Azure AD conditional access, local security policy, Kerberos delegation, or AppLocker. And here the correct answer is Azure AD conditional access. CA policies enforce MFA or multi-factor authentication methods or passwordless authentication. This is it for this practice test or practice exam questions. If you found this video useful, leave a like, and if you are interested in more videos, go to the channel's homepage where you can find many different other practice exams for different exams from CompTIA, Cisco and Microsoft. And see you in the next one.